Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Calendly to your Wix website. Embedding Calendly on your website makes it easy for visitors to book appointments without leaving your page. On your Calendly dashboard, we need to copy your Calendly link. This is the link we will be using. Just copy it so we have it ready. Next, we will head over to Wix. On your Wix dashboard, select your site and choose the website you want to edit. Once you can see your site, let's click Edit Site to open the website editor. Once the editor loads, click Add. In the Elements panel, scroll down to the Embed section. Click Embed, then select Embed a Site. Now, double-click the Embed block. We will choose the link option. Then paste the Calendly link we copied and click Apply. We can see that Calendly is now showing on our Wix website. We can resize it or move it to wherever we want on the page. Once everything looks good, click Publish. That's how we add Calendly to a Wix website.